I have always enjoyed small puzzles, and the sliding number puzzle is one of my favorites. The mechanics are actually pretty simple. The empty tile can be translated to an adjacent space, and the process can be repeated to move any tile in the adjacent row or column. This mechanism can be represented programmatically through an array of tiles. A tile model class contains relevant data, and a puzzle model class contains methods for generating tiles, moving, and callbacks and customization options. On top of that, a puzzle widget also receives callbacks and customization, and generates and places the tiles in their position. Each tile is wrapped in an animated positioned widget to provide animations when moving. The challenge, however, is implementing the puzzle in fun and interesting ways. Although the basic puzzle is fun, at times it can get a bit repetitive and boring. The level class allows us to encapsulate all of each game's rules and necessary customizations, including methods for pausing, restarting, and generating score. A total of 6 games were developed, starting from the very basics with the basic level. The image level crops an image into tiles to be sorted by the player. The word level fetches random words and definitions from an external API, and the challenge is to sort the tiles to spell the word correctly. The rules of tic-tac-toe can be easily applied to the game. A helper method receives a 2D array of X and O's to determine a win, which is used for shuffling and after each move. The callbacks for each move allow for interesting interactions. For example, in the color level, whenever the user creates a whole row or column of the same color, it disappears, clearing space for a new one. The candy level chooses a monster that wants to eat candy but must avoid all the deadly traps. The player loses when stepping into any trap and wins after a monster has eaten all the candy. A more interactive level with the cursor position to update the tiles. Using the XY coordinates, it calculates the angle to update the rotation. On mobile devices, it reads the data from the accelerometer to calculate the angle. Additionally, Flutter allows the same map to be deployed across a great variety of devices, like PCs, tablets, and mobile phones. Interactions through mouse, trackpad, touchscreen, and keyboard are supported for a better user experience. This is my submission for Flutter Puzzle Hack. I had a great time developing this game and learning a lot about puzzles, Flutter, and its community. I hope you enjoy playing the game.